Hi, I'm Heather Reitz, and this is my reading log, Chapter 4. And I chose Going Down Home with Daddy by Kelly Starling Lyons and illustrated by Daniel Minter. And Daniel Minter does a beautiful job with these illustrations. He uses an acrylic wash and uses lots of vibrant colors, really deep, warm, and cool tones that represent a lot of love and natural, earthy feelings and captures their culture quite well. So this book is about Lil Allen and his family as they travel down south to the family farm for a big family reunion. And what's special about them is that for one of their family traditions is to bring tributes that represent their family history, different values, something that's important to them. And so everybody has a tribute, but Lil Allen can't think of one this year. So he struggles and he walks around the family land and hears about the important history that their family went through to get that land and hears about different stories and looks at the ancestor photographs that are hanging on great grandma Granny's wall. And finally, he is able to determine that he wants to pick some cotton and grab some walnuts from a tree that his dad planted on the land and use that as his tribute to honor his family. So I thought this was a wonderful book because it shows a lot of different things. You can do a lot with this. It talks about slavery, you could do American history, you could do different family styles, talk about different colors and whatnot in it. But I thought I would probably touch on the family aspect because it reminds me a lot of my family and how we get together and share stories around a campfire and play cards at my grandmother's kitchen table and a lot of happy memories. And so I thought this was a beautiful message. And one activity that I would have the students do would be they could talk about, first we would have a discussion about different family types and what would represent their family. And then depending on their age, they would either journal or they could choose to draw something that represents their family, maybe two things that represents their family, or maybe draw their family. And it doesn't have to be just immediate, it could be anybody in their family that they love, and then share it with the class. And another project that would be really fun is if we have more time, we could do a big family tree project over like a week or a 2-week project where they go home and they work with their parents to develop a family tree, and then they can present it to the class and give a little, like, brief little history of their family and how they came to be today. So, yeah, I think that would be a really great message. Thank you.